Right, so today we're going to be making one of these mini monkey fists. They're quite easy to do, and it's really good practice for learning how to make the monkey fist. So here we go. You get your cord. I've just got, it's about 1.5 feet of cord. First thing we're going to do is an overhand knot, like that. And we're going to bring that overhand knot all the way to the end, like that. Now what we do, get your 2 fingers, place the knot in the middle like that. That's it. And then we're going to do 2 passes vertical. So we're going to go over the top once, underneath, over the top a second time, and underneath the second time. And I'm just going to put it in between my fingers like that. So what you should have is 2 passes at the top and 2 passes at the bottom. Next, you get your cord and you're going to poke it around the back of the overhand knot and around like that. We're going to do 2 passes like that. So that's 1 pass. Go around the back, poke it through again, and go round a second time, and make sure you stack it on top of the first one, like that. So now we've got 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom, 2 on this side, 2 on that side. Okay? Now, we just take your fingers out, and if you can see, the knot is in the middle there. And all we're going to do is get the end, poke it through the top, and we're going to do 2 vertical passes again. So it goes underneath, up, over the top, round, back up, through the top of the knot, like that. And there you go, you've got 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom, 2 on this side. You've got 2 passes on each side. Okay, now you can see the end is here, and if you look, this is the first pass that we did, and the knot, there you can see it, is on the end there. So all we're going to do now is take the slack out. So make sure that this end piece is nicely sticking out. And all we're going to do is pull on this piece here, and we're just going to very slowly and carefully take the slack out. We're not pulling it tight, we're just pulling the knot together like that, all the way around. We're putting the cord in place where it should be. Follow that cord all the way around. Like that. And this is a really good way of learning how the Monkeyfist knot works. Like that. Keep following that cord around. Like this. Last bit. Oh! It doesn't matter. I've pulled it out, but I can still... There we go. Stick it through the end like that. So that's the first pass. That's the first round of tightening. You can see the shape. You've got the 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. But it doesn't look very much like a ball at the moment. So we're going to do it again. So this is where the end comes out. This is the first cord here. And so we just do it again. Pull the cord together. You don't want to pull it tight, really tight, because it will, if you pull it too tight, the whole thing becomes misshapen and it doesn't look very good. But a 2-pass Monkeyfist I don't think looks very good anyway, but it's a, like I keep saying, it's a really good way of practicing and getting to understand how the knot works. So you can see I'm doing it again. Just keep pulling that slack out, follow the knot all the way around, and there you go. Oh, focus, focus. Doesn't look all that impressive really, but there you go. It's a 2-pass mini Monkeyfist. Now if you want to see me do a 3-pass Monkeyfist, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that hype button as well. The hype button is like the up arrow on Reddit. It gets seen by more people. So hit that hype button, and I shall see you in the next one.